Today, we're diving into the world of laptop memory upgrades, and we've got something special to talk about: the Timetec 64GB DDR4 RAM kit. If you've been looking to supercharge your laptop's performance, this might just be the upgrade you've been waiting for. Let's start with the specs. This kit includes two 32GB DDR4 RAM modules, clocked at 2666 MHz, making it perfect for handling demanding tasks and multitasking without breaking a sweat. With a low voltage of 1.2 V, you're not only getting power efficiency but also ensuring your laptop runs cooler during those intense gaming sessions or heavy workloads. Installation is a breeze, especially if you're familiar with upgrading laptop components. Just pop out the old RAM sticks and slot in these beauties, and you're good to go. Plus, with its compatibility with various DDR4 laptop models, mini PCs, and all-in-one devices, you can breathe new life into a range of systems. One standout feature is the lifetime warranty and free technical support offered by Timetec, based in the United States. This not only provides peace of mind but also speaks volumes about the quality and reliability of their product. In terms of performance, the difference is noticeable right off the bat. Whether you're running resource-intensive applications, editing high-resolution videos, or simply juggling multiple browser tabs, the Timetec 64GB DDR4 RAM kit ensures smooth operation and responsiveness, even under heavy loads. Overall, if you're serious about maximizing your laptop's performance and unlocking its full potential, the Timetec 64GB DDR4 RAM kit is a no-brainer. With its impressive specs, easy installation, and unbeatable warranty, it's a solid investment for anyone looking to take their computing experience to the next level. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.